Hey guys, I have a couple examples of products here from my own personal stash that you might be selling something similar to in your eBay, Amazon, Mercari, Poshmark, whatever store. So for newbies, you might not know how to ship this sort of a thing, so I'm going to show you. So the thing that these have in common is they both have this flip top type lid, and they could easily come open during shipping if you're not careful in the way that you pack them. So I'm going to show you how I would pack them. Okay, so let's start with this one here. This has that type of a flip top lid that if there's pressure put on this side, it's going to pop open, and it also has a very easily twistable top that could come undone during shipping. So I take a piece of tape and I fold the end over, and I would tape the neck and the body of the lotion a little bit. You don't have to go all the way around. I just do a little bit of it, and that way it kind of secures it from twisting. And then I also do the same thing, get the tape, fold it, and I will do the same thing for the top. Just fold it over, and that keeps it pretty secure. So if this is pressed, it's not likely to open. I do the same with this one. On the lid, I don't worry about the neck because this doesn't have a very twistable lid. So I just get a piece of tape, stick it to the body of the lotion or whatever it is that you are selling, and this little tab just makes it easy for the buyer to remove it when they get it. I have a 12 by 12 square of bubble wrap, and I order this bubble wrap in huge rolls so that I always have it available because I go through it pretty quickly. I'm going to take my product and put it on the bubble side up. So the bubbles are on this side is the smooth side. So I just put it right there, fold this over, fold, fold. I guess it's sort of like rolling a burrito. Take a piece of tape, and that's it. Bubble side up, put my product down, cover the ends so that everything is secured. Roll it. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. And then I always include a packing slip in my mailer, and I believe this is a 7 by 10, but of course it will depend on the product that you are shipping. Always include a packing slip, and I always put my label on before I stuff it because it's easier to put a label on a flat package than it is a bulky package. So I drop that in there, fold it over, and peel the strip. And you want to make sure that the corners are stuck to the sides, and I hope you guys got something from this video. Talk to you later.